فراحت کې خو به هر سړي د یار شي.
بالراحة يصبح كل شخص صديق. In comfort, everyone becomes a friend.
یار هغه دی چې په سخته کې پکار شي.
الصديق الحقيقي هو الذي يقف بجانبك في الشدائد. A true friend is the one who stands by in hardship.
ټول خپلوان ترینه تاویږي چې امیر وي.
عندما يكون الشخص غنياً يحيط به الجميع. When someone is rich, everyone stays around him.
چې غریب شي هر سړي ترینه بیزار شي.
ولكن عندما يصبح فقيرا يتركه الجميع. But when he becomes poor, everyone leaves him.
نو حقیقي مینه هغه دی رحمانه.
فالحب الحقيقي هو يا رحمن. True love is when, O Rahman.
چې مزار سره دی جوړ مزار د یار شي.
حتى بعد الموت تبقى قبور الأحبة معا. Even after death, the graves of lovers remain together. Rahman Baba, born in 1653 in Bahadur Kala near Peshawar, was a renowned Pashtun Sufi poet. His poetry, rich in mysticism, has profoundly influenced Pashto literature and continues to inspire readers with themes of spirituality and morality.